is this $15 smart RGB LED corner lamp from Temu any good? So I went ahead and bought one. So yeah, they're $15.85 for two. So you get two of these lamps. You look at the images. If you're looking at like this particular one, don't go by what the images say. They over exaggerate the height of these. They're not that tall. Like there's one picture here where there's some guys in a desk right there, right here, like this. These lamps are not, I mean, unless these guys are like 4 feet tall, these lamps, these stands are not that high or tall. So you know, be aware of that if you're ever buying something from Temu. The pictures will always lie to you. Go to the last picture, or just go to the picture that shows like the actual dimensions, so you can see that the height and the width of the base. So just follow that. Like this is, the height is overly exaggerated, so don't follow that if you're planning on buying something like from Temu, like these lights. So for a set of two for 15 bucks, I went ahead and bought some, and we're gonna test it out here. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see how they look. So because these are a set of two, they're going to be powered. You need two different power sources to power them. So you get two controllers, one for each lamp, and you do need some batteries for this. I know there are controllers out there that come with little like cell batteries. These you actually have to have the AAAs, or else you won't be able to use it. So AAA batteries. These aren't smart, so you can't connect them to your phone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So it's just a remote. You can control it with USB connector here. There's a button here, right? So the base, it does have some weight to it, so it won't tilt or fall. And you do have to assemble it. All right, so it's assembled. You just have to pull the LED strip all the way to the top. See in here, there. You gotta just pull it to the top. Try to reach it with your fingers and just pull out, and then you can put the cap back on. Alright, so I'm gonna set up the other one. I'm gonna set these up side by side. I'm gonna turn the lights off and show you how it works. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. I put them side by side next to my TV here. I have the remote here, and I have batteries inside. I should be able to control both of them with one controller. Top, you're gonna increase brightness, speed, lower it as well. You got on, off. You got your color cycles, automatic, the M series here, and then we got your hours, so you can have it on for 4 hours, 8 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, and we got your music I guess reacts to music. So we're just gonna start off with increasing the brightness. Wow, okay, so it gets really bright, honestly. And I'm not gonna lie, the LEDs on this are really, really bright. They look really good. On camera, they might not look great, but it looks really good in person. So let's go ahead and select. Of course, you can turn it on and off. Just turn off, turn on, and then we're gonna select the first rainbow setting here. Okay. Okay, the first one just lets you cycle through to the colors that are shown here. So we got blue, orange, blue, yeah. So it cycles to that, and this is only green, red, and blue. Yeah, green, red, blue. And then we got your other colors. Yeah, so it's really nice that it tells you which colors you can select. From here, we got auto. I guess it just cycles. Oh, it just goes to a rainbow effect, which is really nice. Alright, let's go to the next one, M1. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, that's pretty nice. What does it do? So I clicked M2 this time. It's just red now. Nothing's happening. Oh, it's like, okay, so it's gonna cycle through them, but very slowly. So it's green now. So let's go to M3. Okay. It's like a loading bar almost. Then it cycle through different colors, or. Yo, these look really nice though. Definitely recommend these. Okay, now we got green. Let's go to M4. Okay, rainbow. Nice. What's next? M5. Oh, these are pretty cool. Let's go to M6. Oh, it looks like electricity almost. M7. Okay. And M8. Cool. Now, okay, these ones I'm not going to test because these are just going to set the timer to 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. Now we're going to music react. I'm going to pick the first one here. I think this is reacting to my fans because I have my fans on right now. Let me see. Let me go to the second one. Alright, let me turn off my fans. Okay, so as soon as I turned off my fans, these lights stopped. So I'm gonna play copyright free music. I'll leave a link on the description if you want to buy these. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.